mobilizing the youth of today.
Hi, my name is Sylvia Porteous, Home Economics Specialist, Jamaica 4-H Clubs. We are at the Denby 4-H Training and Production Center in Clarendon, and will be demonstrating how to prepare healthy green juice drink using vegetables grown in your backyard and school gardens. The Jamaica 4-H Clubs encourages the consumption of vegetables in our diet, especially children. We also promote healthy lifestyle awareness and food diversification. Vegetable juice drink is made primarily of blended vegetables. Fresh vegetables enhances the nutritive value, color, appearance, and flavor of drink. Consuming vegetables is excellent for our digestive tracts and is highly cleansing and detoxifying, low in calories, a super rich source of minerals and vitamins, and has anti-aging properties. Our vegetable juice drink includes the following ingredients: string beans, cucumber, purslane, otherwise called parsley, ginger, lime juice, and sugar. String beans and cucumber are popular vegetables. However, purslane is not so popular and is considered to be underutilized. As part of our new food promotion, we encourage you to take advantage of underutilized vegetables. Purslane is a succulent, dark green leafy vegetable. It has a mild, sour and salty taste, very nutritious, rich in antioxidant and a rich source of minerals and vitamins. It blends well in stews, juices, salads and stir fry, and can be eaten raw or cooked. The process for making your vegetable juice drink includes the following steps. Select vegetables based on chosen drink. Clean and wash under running water. Where necessary, cut in manageable pieces. Blend and strain. Add the desired sweetener, that is sugar or honey. Cover and place in refrigerator to chill. Now I will take you through the process of making your vegetable juice drink. To your blender, you add 6 cups of water, 1 cup chopped string bean, 2 cups chopped cucumber, 1 cup chopped parsley, and 1 ounce ginger. Blend at high speed for approximately 45 seconds. Ensuring that you stop your blender as you go. Pour into a fine mesh. To remove the pulp. Sweeten to taste by adding 6 ounces of sugar and 2 tablespoons lime juice. Now you place this in your refrigerator to chill. This is our final product. You can find the Jamaica 4-H clubs on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Clover TV, on YouTube, and our website at jamaica4hclubs.com. Thank you for joining us. Cheers.